forex accounts, and this is also the hot forex account, also a front page of FX Anywhere. We do FXTM also, front page of FXTM. What do you need to do to assess everything concerning this money you invested the money in? So when you do that, yeah, sure, then these things analyze after your analyzation or in this, I have to. So I think I when I'm being assessed, when after the assessment, I see a lot of, see their profit, see the balance and other things. You need to see, analyze their trade, see the losses, and so look at a lot of fund managers. They're up to 300 and something, but most of them are losing. But the company give you the top and making good profits. They're making sweet profit, no loss in this stuff. Money fine, it's okay. At least you can make some substantial profit using this forex and all that other things. Study it. When